All right, let's talk about your domain name. I mean, it's basically your digital front door, right? Your whole online identity. But let's be real, managing it can sometimes feel like a total pain. So today, we're going to slice right through all that complexity. We're going to show you how to get back in the driver's seat simply and securely.
So, I've got to ask, does dealing with your current domain provider feel like a total battle? Are you constantly wrestling with some clunky, confusing website? Or maybe you're getting hit with those surprise fees that just magically appear. If you're nodding along right now, believe me, you are not alone. But here's the thing. It really doesn't have to be that hard. There's a much simpler way to handle this super important piece of your brand.
Okay, so let's get right into the heart of the problem. We'll call it the domain dilemma. Sounds traumatic? Well, for a lot of business owners, it is. They're stuck with a provider that's not just a headache to use and surprisingly expensive, but the customer support, it's like non-existent right when you need it. And lurking under all that frustration is the one thing that keeps people up at night: downtime.
And these issues are so common. I'm talking about dashboards that look like they were designed in the 90s, or those renewal bills that suddenly have extra charges you never saw coming. And trying to get help, you send a support ticket and crickets for days. All while you've got that little voice in the back of your head worrying that one tiny mistake, one missed email, could just poof, take your whole site offline. That's a huge deal. It costs you real money and your reputation.
Okay, enough doom and gloom, right? We've talked about the problem, now let's talk about the solution. And this is where CloudMySite enters the picture. It was basically built from the ground up to tackle exactly these problems, to make everything about managing your domain simple, safe, and totally straightforward. So, you might be hearing this term domain transfer and thinking, whoa, that sounds complicated. But what is it really? It's just moving your domain's registration from your current company to a new one. That's it. And here's the most important part to remember. Nothing happens to your website. Your emails keep working just fine. It's like changing the address on your car's registration. The car itself doesn't change a bit.
Okay, so how do you actually do it? How do you make the move? Well, you're probably bracing for a bunch of technical steps, but you're going to be surprised by how simple it actually is. Seriously, believe it or not, this whole thing, this process that gives people so much stress, it really just comes down to 4 easy steps. That's it, 4.
All right, here's the playbook. Step 1, you just tell CloudMySite the domain name you want to move. Step 2, you pop over to your old provider's website and click a button to unlock the domain. Easy. Step 3, you get a special code, think of it like a key, and give that to CloudMySite to prove it's really you. And step 4, the final step, you'll get an email, you click approve, and you're done. Seriously, simple, clear, zero technical headaches.
Now back in step 2, I mentioned checking eligibility. Sounds official, but it's super simple. There are just 3 little checkboxes to tick, basically. 1, is your domain older than 60 days? 2, is it not in some weird about-to-be-deleted status? And 3, if you have that who is privacy thing on, you just need to turn it off for a little bit during the move. These are all things you can check and fix in like 2 minutes. And that EPP code from step 3? Okay, yeah, the name sounds super techy, but don't get thrown off. It's literally just a password for your domain. That's the best way to think about it. It's a security feature that proves you're the real owner and you've given the thumbs up for the transfer. And you get it right from your old provider, usually just by clicking a button. Okay, so the transfer itself is a piece of cake. But what happens after you're all moved in? Let's talk about what's arguably even more important for the long haul: rock-solid security and easy-breezy daily management. And this is the big one, right? I mean, your domain name isn't just some text on a screen. It's a critical piece of your business. It's valuable. So, how is it kept safe?
Well, CloudMySite has you covered in a few key ways. First up is domain locking. Think of it like a deadbolt on your front door. It just stops anyone from trying to transfer your domain away without your permission. Then there's Who is Privacy, which is awesome. It hides your personal phone number and address from those public databases so spammers can't get to it. And behind all that, there's a bunch of advanced security working to keep your digital home base safe and sound. And when it comes to just managing everything day to day, you can just forget about juggling a bunch of different logins and confusing control panels. Instead, you get this one beautiful, clean dashboard. All your domains, all in one spot. You can see everything, manage settings, handle renewals. It is a huge time saver.
So taking care of the domains you already have is great. But a really good platform should do more, right? It should help you grow. So let's peek beyond just the transfer and see what else you can do.
Let's say you've got a new idea, a new project, a whole new brand you want to launch. Well, right from that same simple dashboard, you can search for and grab a brand new domain. And there's a massive selection, so you can really hunt for that perfect name that just clicks with your vision.
And check this out. This is maybe one of the biggest, easiest ways to make your brand look more professional. Just look at the two options. Which one makes you feel more confident? The one on the right, every time. Having an email address that matches your domain name, it's such a simple thing, but it builds trust instantly.
And you're probably guessing this by now, but setting up that pro email address is just as easy as everything else we've talked about. CloudMySite works directly with Soho Mail, so you can set up those slick, branded emails in just a couple of clicks. No hassle.
Okay, so we've walked through the super simple transfer process, we've talked about security, and we've even looked at the cool features that help you expand. So let's wrap this all up. Let's make the final argument for why making this switch is a no-brainer.
Because at the end of the day, it really comes down to this one question, doesn't it? I mean, there are other options out there. So why go this route for your brand, for your online home?
Well, it's because it's the whole package. It's the easy transfers, the clean dashboard, and the rock-solid security all rolled into one. It's getting that professional email without any extra headaches. And it's knowing that the pricing is honest and that if you ever get stuck, there are real people there to help you out. It's just everything you need to manage your online brand done right.
Look, at the end of the day, this isn't just about where you park your domain name. It's about giving your entire online presence a powerful foundation, one that's secure, that can grow with you, and that just works.
So I'll just leave you with this to think about. Is your domain provider right now actually helping you, or are they just another headache on your to-do list? Because you know what? There's a much, much better way to do this.